Guys, working on the 75 Firebird. I'm stripping the roof. I had a spot and I seen what looked like rust under the factory paint. You see where all that black stuff is? That's where I've taken off the rust. There's the rust. Look at that. That's what's under the factory paint. I didn't know it was under there, so I'm stripping all this off. I ordered some stuff called Osfo. It's a product that you put on bare metal when there's rust on it, and it stops it from rusting. Supposedly, I've heard a lot of good things about it. Got a lot of good reviews. But I'll show you guys when I get it. I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. I'm gonna get the rest of this roof done, and doing it with that thing right there. But I ordered some new wheels too from Amazon, and I'm gonna try those out for my 4.5 inch grinder or 4 inch grinder, whatever. So, working on it, man, working on it. This thing's been an adventure. There's a lot to do, a lot more to do to this car than I thought there was going to be, but I'll make it one day. All right.